Hey, we're here at go2math.com. Click on Algebra. Let's go down to adding and subtracting. And I believe we're doing 7.1. It looks to me like, whoa, what is that? 7.1. See, we got x plus 16 over x plus 17 plus x plus 18 over x plus 4. I've got to write that down. Okay. X plus 16. So it gives you plenty of chances to write this stuff down and actually work it out before I do. That's what you should really be doing. And then x plus 4. All right, so the idea here is we want to get a common denominator. And of course, I should have wrote enough room here. I think I could squeeze this in. So we're going to put x plus 4 over here on this side over x plus 4. And then, of course, over here, because we have an x plus 17, we're going to write x plus 17 over x plus 17. Right. Pretty easy. Now that we have a common denominator, of course, we'd want to put parentheses around the bottoms here, stating that this is x plus 4 times x plus 17. And of course the same goes with the top, but we're going to just go ahead and rewrite that. Alright, so let's just go ahead and combine this into one single fraction. So we have x plus 4 times x plus 17. And then what we've got going on up here at the top is we'll have x plus 4 times x plus 16, and then plus, continue that out, and then we'll have x plus 18 times x plus 17. Boy, that's a mess. Alright, so what we'll want to do now is go ahead and multiply this stuff together and collect up some like terms and so forth. So we have x times x is x squared, and then x times 16, and then 4 times x, add those together, and what do we get? We get 20x, I do believe. And then we have excuse me, 4 times 16, which is 64, 74. 4 times 16, 40, 64, yeah. Okay. Plus, and then we'll go ahead and multiply this stuff together. So we have x squared plus 17x and then 18x, so that's going to be 35x. Make a few adjustments here. Okay. So we'll have 35x, and then we've got 18 times 17, which is 306. 06. And I think what I'm going to do here is, I think I'm going to leave those guys alone for right now. So I'm not exactly sure if this thing's going to factor. I don't think it'll factor. Cancel out terms. I guess we could go ahead and multiply this out, but let's I don't know, x squared plus what do we got, 21x, and then plus 40, 50, 64, 28, 68. Trying to do this stuff in my head. 68, yeah. Okay. Alright, well let's do something with this top up here. So we have an x squared and an x squared, and that's going to give us 2x squared. Then we have a 20x and a 35x, that's going to give us 55x. And we got a 64 and a 306, or I should say 306, plus 370, and that's all over x squared plus 21x plus 68. Okay. So I don't know if this thing factors up here and you can cancel out like terms, you know, who knows. I don't know, let's see what happens here. Remember what we had. 22x squared, 55x, 370. 22x squared, 55x, 370, x squared plus 21x plus 68. Yep. Okay. Alright, well, that looks like that's it. See you in the next problem.